Good morning, good afternoon, hello. This is a multilingual video. So, buenos días, hola mis queridos estudiantes. Ustedes saben ya que este es un video multilingüe. Yo voy a explicar cómo se usa este oraciones sentence stems. How do we use these sentence stems to build a paragraph, okay? So we have been working with a quotation explanation graphic organizer. It looks like this. And we've seen this question, can a regular person be a hero? And we've looked at my similar model question that said, can an animal be a hero? Okay, so I'm going to do another example about an animal, though yours will be about a regular person. So here I have this sentence. I think that, right? Whoever can be a hero. Pienso que, right? An animal can be a hero. Now, today I'm talking about this story, A Smart Mother. Some of you read this in class. So, in the story, and then this blank, I put the title of the story, A Smart Mother. Okay, and I can't move my arrow keys down here on the keyboard to delete the extra spaces. Okay, in the story, A Smart Mother, right? Here I have, it's right here, right? So, somebody saves somebody. Alguien saves somebody. Okay, if you remember this story, okay, it is about a mother dog named Tasha who saves her puppies from a flood, right? So este cuento trata de un perro que salva a sus perritos durante una inundación. So we'll say a mother dog saves, okay, her puppies. Okay? And then I will write this last blank, okay? Right, we have many options to talk about her. We can say she, because we know she's a female, right? Podemos decir ella, porque sabemos que es hembra. Okay, podemos decir de nuevo a mother dog, okay? O podemos usar su nombre, que ella se llama Tasha, right? Okay. So I'm going to put again, otra vez, a mother dog. So, más, right? Click here, and I'll write here, capital letter, mayúscula para empezar la oración, a mother dog. Y ahora voy a borrar la línea. A mother dog solves the problem in the story. Y a mí me gusta ordenar totalmente mis párrafos borrando las líneas después. Okay. So, a mother dog solves the problem in the story. Okay. If you want to, you can pause the video here, okay, to make this paragraph. The next paragraph contains green and blue spaces. These green and blue spaces correlate to the green and blue from your organizer, okay? So, the first few blanks are still going to come from your mind. So this says one of the main characters is, okay? Y más, estoy intentando explicar aquí que deberías relatar un poco de este cuento para en esta parte de su composición. Entonces, right? One of the main characters is a mother dog, okay? Y aquí voy a explicar o enseñar el nombre. Tasha is quizás a dog, okay? And this is where I might say, right, she has puppies, right? Just to give a tiny bit of information without copying the story, okay? And then I'm going to say the part about the problem, right? Just a tiny bit to help my reader, or I will say, there is a flood where she lives in California. Y después voy a copiar y pegar las partes verdes y azules desde mi ordenador. Y al final voy a poner, right, el personaje, the character here, okay, like this, okay. Tasha is important to the solution in the story.